Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Fabric for Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have already opened Minecraft version 1.2, 1.11 at least once on your computer. After that, close the game and the Minecraft launcher completely. Next, open your browser and go to an official website like CurseForge or Modrinth. Search for Fabric Loader and download the Universal Jar for Minecraft 1.2, 1.11. Once the download finishes, move the Fabric installer to your desktop so it is easy to find. You will also need Fabric API for mods to work correctly. On the same website, search for Fabric API, select the same Minecraft version, download it, and place that file on your desktop as well. Now, double-click the Fabric installer. When it opens, select version 1.2, 1.11, and press Install. If the installer does not open, install Java 21, which is required for newer Minecraft versions. After installation finishes, open the Minecraft launcher. Go to Installations, make sure Modded is enabled, and open the Game folder. Create a folder named Mods if it does not exist. Drag Fabric API and any Fabric-compatible mods into the Mods folder. Launch Minecraft using Fabric to confirm everything works. So that's basically how you can download and install Fabric for Minecraft. That's it for this video. Thanks!